Why does math work so well to describe our universe? It's a question that has fascinated thinkers for centuries. We use mathematics to build bridges, launch rockets, and power our technology. Mathematics seems to be the secret language of the universe, as if reality itself is written in equations. The physicist Eugene Wigner called this the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics. Why should patterns discovered for fun by mathematicians so perfectly describe stars and atoms? Instead of chaos, we find order, laws not written in words, but in math. From a thrown ball to the dance of galaxies, equations capture the essence of what's happening. Math doesn't just describe, it predicts, leading to discoveries before we even see them. Is this a coincidence, or is the universe itself mathematical at its core? This question launches us on a journey to the heart of existence. In the 1840s, astronomers noticed Uranus's orbit didn't match Newton's predictions. Something invisible was tugging at the planet, causing it to wobble. Two mathematicians, Leverrier and Adams, believed math could solve the mystery. They proposed an unseen planet was responsible and set out to calculate its position, using only pen and paper. After months of calculations, Leverrier sent his prediction to the Berlin Observatory. On September 23, 1846, Johann Galle pointed his telescope where the math said to look. There it was, Neptune within a degree of the predicted spot, a planet discovered not by sight, but by mathematics. This triumph showed math isn't just a tool for describing reality, it can reveal what's hidden. The universe, it seemed, could be unlocked by equations alone. This was more than coincidence. It was a glimpse into the deep connection between math and the cosmos. Mathematics had predicted a world before anyone had seen it. The power of math had never been clearer. What else could it reveal? The discovery of Neptune is just one example of math leading us to reality. But what if reality itself is a mathematical structure? This is the mathematical universe hypothesis, or MYOC. It suggests our universe isn't just described by math, it is math. Everything, chairs, air, stars, is part of a vast mathematical object. We think of the world as made of stuff, but the MYOC says the stuff is just mathematical properties. A particle isn't a tiny ball with properties, it is its properties, numbers and relations. When we study the world, we're uncovering its true mathematical nature. Math works so well because it's the fabric of existence. Our reality is a manifestation of timeless mathematical truths. We are living thoughts in a cosmic mathematical mind. To grasp the MUH, we need to understand mathematical structures. A mathematical structure is a set of abstract entities and the relationships between them. For example, the integers, numbers defined by how they relate, like 3, is 2 plus 1. Geometry offers another example. A triangle is 3 points and 3 lines, defined by rules like angles add to 180 degrees. These structures exist independently of us. We discover them, we don't invent them. The Mach proposes our universe is just such a structure, vast and complex. Particles, forces, and dimensions are the entities. The laws of physics are the relations. An electron is just a collection of numbers and rules. No hidden stuff underneath. The universe isn't made of matter that follows math, it's made of math itself. The structure is the substance. This is a radical shift. Reality is mathematical, not just physical. The more we study, the more we uncover the structure we inhabit. The universe is math through and through. The moat leads to a bold vision, a multiverse with 4 levels. Level 1. If space is infinite, there are regions just like ours, even another you somewhere far away. Level 2. Eternal inflation suggests our universe is one bubble among many, each with different physical constants. Some bubbles are lifeless, but a few, like ours, support life. Level 3. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Every quantum event splits reality, creating parallel worlds. Every possibility happens somewhere. Level 4. The ultimate multiverse. Every mathematically consistent structure exists as its own universe. Different dimensions, particles, and laws, all realized somewhere. Our universe is just one mathematical structure among countless others. We live in the one whose rules allow beings like us to exist. This framework organizes scientific theories and expands our view of reality. The multiverse isn't just science fiction, it's a logical consequence of math's power. The deeper we look, the more possibilities we find. The moat suggests reality is far bigger and stranger than we ever imagined. We are citizens of a mathematical multiverse. The mathematical universe hypothesis could transform science and our understanding of existence. It offers an answer to the fine-tuning problem. If all mathematical universes exist, we naturally find ourselves in one that supports life. The goal of physics shifts, from finding one final equation to mapping the landscape of all possible mathematical structures. Physicists become explorers of this abstract realm, seeking which structures allow self-aware observers. Our universe's theory of everything is just one address in this vast mathematical space. The MYOCH blurs the line between physical and abstract, suggesting math is the most real thing. The world we sense is a shadow of deeper mathematical reality. This can be unsettling but also inspiring. Through math we glimpse the source code of existence. The foundation of reality could be simple mathematical rules from which infinite complexity emerges. No need for arbitrary starting points or a creator. Everything that can exist, does exist. Reality is the full expression of all mathematical possibilities. The MYOCH offers a vision of breathtaking scope and elegance. It changes not just what we know but how we see ourselves in the cosmos. If we live inside a mathematical structure, we are part of a grand equation. Our thoughts and experiences are patterns unfolding by mathematical rules. We're not just observers, we're characters in the cosmic story. This idea is humbling and empowering. We are the universe becoming aware of itself. Science and math become a quest for self-understanding. Each discovery is a glimpse into the logic that makes us real. The muck is still a hypothesis, debated and unproven. But whether the universe is math or just described by it, we're left with awe. We are stardust that can comprehend the patterns of the cosmos. Perhaps we are living in a mathematical dream. The greatest adventure is to explore its beauty.